There are several fillings that you can use when you're making phyllo dough. Right now I'm going to show you two. One is the cheese and egg mixture. This is the same mixture that we used for sambusak. The second is a spinach and cheese mixture. What you want to do when you're making your spinach and cheese mixture is to take one onion, saute it lightly until translucent, and add a package of chopped spinach, frozen chopped spinach. Just cook it until done. Then you want to take the spinach and over a sink you want to squeeze out excess water. It's important that the mixture be dry. See when I squeeze it how much water comes out? Then I want to take that spinach and I want to mix it with my cheese. Again, really squeezing out all of that excess water from the spinach. Then I mix it up with the cheese. And again, you can do this with a spoon. I tend to like to do things with my hands. Cheese, egg, and spinach filling.